Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video, I will explain how to change Facebook username. Open your Facebook app. After it opens, simply tap on the three lines which are at the right top. From here, scroll it down. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy, and again tap on the first option, Settings. Tap on this option Account Center, and tap on the option Profiles. So if you want to change your username on Instagram, you can also change the Instagram username from here. But now I'm changing my Facebook username, so I'm tapping on Facebook. As you see from here, I can change my name, username, profile picture, and also avatar. But for now I'll change my username by tapping on the second option. So as you see from here, you can change your username by writing a unique username, because the Facebook will also check the availability of this username. So after writing the username, which you like the most, simply tap on Done. So by this way you can change your username on Facebook. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.